Bengal, known for its cultural opulence, encapsulates a legacy where literature, art, and intellectual pursuits have flourished for generations. The ethos of this land thrives on an unwavering belief in the transformative power of education. Here, schools are not just buildings, they are the sanctuaries where dreams take flight and aspirations find wings. Numeric's SWAT team embarked on an extraordinary mission to illuminate the path of education by powering 7,019 ICT schools of West Bengal. This is a story of dedication, resilience, and a commitment to a brighter future. This is the story of Numeric's SWAT team, not just a provider of power backup solutions, but a true partner in adding new energy to education. The challenge was immense. 7,019 ICT schools spread across this dynamic state, a race against time, and the critical need for power backup to ensure uninterrupted business continuity. Numeric UPS stood ready, fueled by determination, made the lifeblood of this monumental mission. The dedicated SWAT team of Numeric UPS. Their passion and expertise propelled this journey. Meticulous planning, careful delegation, and a readiness for the unexpected. These were the pillars of this endeavor. The SWAT team stood prepared for every twist and turn.
वेस्ट बंगाल में मेरा अबाउट 1 लाख के करीब यूपीएस है। 2 इंजीनियर्स इस स्कूलनेट प्रोजेक्ट के लिए काम कर रहा है फील्ड में। जैसे जैसे मेरे पास कॉल का डिटेल्स आता है सर्विस रिगार्डिंग, उस हिसाब से मैं पूरा फाइल बना के जब तक ये 52 इंजीनियर को कम्प्लीटली देता नहीं हूँ तब तक मेरा आँख से नींद उड़ जाती है।
If I get other devices on time but I don't get the UPS on time, power backup on time, I will not be able to install it on the premises. So this is first priority is that I need to have the power backup. So that has been so far been available and made available by Numeric.
Precision and efficiency defined the installation process. Numeric UPS connected the future by empowering the ICT infrastructure, lighting the way for knowledge.
আমি এখানে দীর্ঘ 2 বছর ধরে চাকরি করছি। তো আমার এই দীর্ঘ 2 বছর জার্নিতে এখনো পর্যন্ত কোনো রকম প্রবলেমের সম্মুখীন হতে হয়নি আমাকে। তো যখনই পাওয়ার কাট হয়েছে তখন ইউপিএস এর সাপোর্টে আমরা প্রায় 1 ঘন্টার কাছাকাছি ক্লাস করতে পেরেছি।
To choose Numeric rather than one is quality, one is the availability, third is affordability, fourth is service network.
Numeric UPS takes complete ownership. The proactive SWAT team ensures the UPS systems are always in optimal condition, ensuring uninterrupted power, thereby delivering on their promise of, "We have you covered." The classrooms now buzz with the energy of enlightenment, where every switch turned on is a spark igniting curiosity. As we conclude this chapter, we not only celebrate continuous power supply for the classrooms, but the empowerment of the dreams that now flicker brightly within them. When it comes to safeguarding your educational journey, business continuity isn't just a concept, it's our commitment. With Numeric UPS, rest assured, we have you covered.